Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to reset your password for Netflix. If you've forgotten your password during logging into Netflix and you don't know what to do next, do not worry at all. Make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser on your computer. Now, go to the URL box at the top and type in netflix.com and search. Once you get to the official website for Netflix, click the Sign In button at the top right hand corner. On the next page, you will need to enter your valid email or phone number that is associated with your account. On the next field where it says password, type in your correct password for Netflix. But in case you've forgotten your password, you can simply go ahead and click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom. It will then take you to a new page where you'll get to choose how you'd like to reset your password. You can choose either email or text messages. Select any one option and enter the credentials for the chosen one. If you select email, you'll need to type in your email address associated with your Netflix account. Similarly, if you've selected text message, you'll need to enter your phone number. Now, click the Email Me button and an email with an instruction to reset your password will be sent to your chosen email's inbox. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox. Make sure to open up the email inbox that is associated with your Netflix account. Once you open up your inbox tab from your email, go ahead and open up the email from Netflix. Now, click on Reset Password. On the next page, type in your new password that you'd want to change to. Re-enter your password once again for your security. If you want to sign out of all the devices that you've logged in using these credentials, you can check the Sign Out of All Devices box. Finally, click Save and you will be able to reset or change your password for Netflix. Once your password is changed, every time you log into your Netflix account, you will now need to type in your newly updated password. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.